Essential English expressions. 1. How have you been? Example, how have you been? It's been ages since we last talked. 2. I really appreciate it. Example, thank you for staying late to finish the project. I really appreciate it. 3. Could you do me a favor? Example, could you do me a favor and pick up my parcel while I'm away? 4. Sorry to bother you. Example, sorry to bother you, but could you explain this section again? 5. I didn't catch that. Example, I didn't catch that last part. Could you repeat it? 6. That sounds great. Example, dinner at your place? That sounds great. What should I bring? 7. It depends. Example, will you go to the party? It depends on how much work I have. 8. Let me think about it. Example, I'm not sure if I can join the trip. Let me think about it. 9. I'll get back to you. Example, I need to check my schedule first. I'll get back to you tomorrow. 10. I see what you mean. Example, that's an interesting perspective. I see what you mean now. 11. I'd rather not. Example, thanks for the invitation, but I'd rather not go out tonight. 12. What do you think? Example, here's my idea for the presentation. What do you think? 13. I couldn't agree more. Example, teamwork is essential. I couldn't agree more. 14. That's a good point. Example, that's a good point. We should include more data in the report. 15. Let's call it a day. Example, it's been a long meeting. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. 16. Can I pick your brain? Example, I'm working on a new project, and I'd like to pick your brain about some ideas. 17. I'm on the fence. Example, I'm on the fence about which university to choose. 18. Don't take it personally. Example, don't take it personally, but I think your approach could be improved. 19. It's not a big deal. Example, don't worry about the mistake, it's not a big deal. 20. I'll keep you posted. Example, we're still waiting for confirmation, but I'll keep you posted. 21. Let's get down to business. Example, we don't have much time, so let's get down to business. 22. It's up to you. Example, I'm fine with either option. It's up to you to decide. 23. I've got a lot on my plate. Example, I'd love to help, but I've got a lot on my plate right now. 24. Let me get this straight. Example, let me get this straight. Do you want to cancel the event? 25. I'm not sure about that. Example, I'm not sure about that plan. It might be too risky. 26. Can I have a word with you? Example, can I have a word with you after the meeting? It's important. 27. Let's keep an open mind. Example, I know it's a new idea, but let's keep an open mind and give it a chance. 28. It slipped my mind. Example, I'm sorry I missed the deadline, it completely slipped my mind. 29. What a coincidence. Example, we both booked the same holiday destination. What a coincidence. 30. I'm all ears. Example, you've got something important to share? I'm all ears. Thank you for watching. Practice these phrases daily to improve your English. Subscribe for more lessons and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.